See, translation process, right? What is the meaning of translation over here? Translation meaning what? mRNA to protein formation, right? DNA to mRNA formation we call and mRNA to protein formation we call translation process. Now translation process, that which one acts as a factory, that is the ribosome. Ribosome is a factory that helps us to form, that's the proteins, right? Now, so for that ribosomes, you have learned that ribosomes has two subunits. Yes or no? In 11th standard, chapter 8, cell, the unit of life, right? Eukaryotic ribosome and the prokaryotic ribosome. Both are same or different? Different. So first one, eukaryotic ribosomes. So they are 50s, 70s, क्या था? Total 80s. Large subunit 50s, 60s. Large is a which one? 60. Small 40, and together we call 80s. Next one, prokaryotic ribosome. Small unit, small unit, large subunit, 50 plus 30 together here, because joining में that some part is oppressed with each other, right? Next one, ribosome, small subunit, large subunit, they join with each other. See, as and when ribosomes are not needed, right? Means not need their active role that used in which process? Ribosomes are protein formation, translation, right? So if mRNA is not there, right? If mRNA is not formed from that the DNA reach to that cytoplasm, then these ribosomes remain in their inactive stage. Inactive stage meaning what? Both the subunits of that ribosomes remain separated. Remember that remain in a which one? Separated. अब तक आपने ये learn किए थे, join with each other with the help of magnesium. With the help of which one? Magnesium helps in this thing. Clear? Now, so जैसे जैसे और डिटेल में लर्न करोगे सेल एंड मोल बायो, यू विल गेट द मच मोर नॉलेज इन दैट, राइट? सो फर्स्ट ओवर हियर that small subunit and large subunits remain separated because that's the inactive stage. Now think like that's the mRNA that comes from nucleus to the which part? Cytoplasm, right? And as and when it reaches to the cytoplasm, first, which one encounters this mRNA? That is the small subunit. Remember, small subunit acts as a scanning machine. Acts as a which one? Scanning machine. It starts reading that mRNA from direction 3' to 5'? 5' to 3'. Here this is the 5'. Here which one? 3'. So it start reading the codons which are present on this mRNA. उसको क्या चाहिए? वो क्या स्कैन कर रहा है? It wants what? AUG, right? कि उसको मिल रहा है कहाँ पे? AUG. So to find that AUG, which one is needed? Small subunit. Remember, which one? Small subunit of ribosome. So this small subunit of ribosome, remember that first encounter this mRNA. Clear? Understood? Where this AUG codon is present. Now, so small subunit of ribosome, right, that over here binds with the which one? mRNA, and by that way it helps in scanning the AUG first, right? Now next, as and when AUG is there, right? AUG, we have learned that tRNA structure, if you can recall. याद है tRNA structure? Yes or no? Right? tRNA structure, in that the how many loops are there? Four. Right? This loop we call? This one is a which one? Anticodon loop, right? Anticodon loop, in that this one is a first DHU and this one T-C loop, right? Next, this is the which end? 5' or 3'? 5'. Which one? 5'. जहाँ पे ये DHU होता है, this one is a which one? 5'. This one is a which one? 3'. I told you 3' जहाँ पे भी है, over there एक specific sequence is there. That is which one? CCA. Which one? CCA. And 5' पे होता है 1. Clear? Next one, that this is the anticodon loop, which is the main one. Anticodon loop, think like that कि here that's the mRNA is there, right? On this mRNA, मान लो कि यहाँ पे आया AUG, here 5 prime 3 prime, and this is our mRNA. Now CACG ATG AGGCGU UAA. Clear? This will be our mRNA. So now, small subunit of ribosome that binds over here, and it start what? Reading. Gradually it shift their position to the next one, right? And once it get which codon? AUG, the process begins, right? AUG hai, so first which tRNA will come over here? Those have anticodon which is complementary with which one? AUG. So A के साथ complementary में क्या आएगा? U or thymine? Why not thymine? This is also one type of RNA, tRNA, right? So adenine है तो uracil, U है तो, and here cytosine, UAC, right? So this type of tRNAs are already present in cytoplasm. हमारे 64 codons है. Out of them, how many codes for amino acids? 61, and 3 are which one? Stop code. So 61 codons के respect में 61 anticodon containing tRNAs are present in the cytoplasm, right? Actual tRNAs number are more than that, but right now remember with this concept that 61 codons are there, so 61 anticodons containing what? tRNAs are present. Clear? Next, this is the which codon? AGG. As and when ribosome that gets AUG, right? Now this ribosome reads the codon, right? Reads that sequence in a triplet form. Which form? Triplet. First AUG मिल गया, right? This will be the first codon. फिर triplet में, that is the second. This one is the third one. फिर fourth में क्या है? Stop codon आ गया. So it will read only 3 amino acids, 3 codons, and form the 3 amino acids containing polypeptide chain. Simple, right? Now 3 to 8 amino acids जब होते हैं तो उसको हम oligopeptide बोलते हैं, right? More than that होते हैं तो हम बोलते हैं polypeptide. 2 amino acids हो तो क्या बोलेंगे? Dipeptide. Clear? So first, that's the amino acids. 2 amino acids linked by each other by which bond? Peptide bond, and form dipeptide structure. 3 to 8 जितने होते हैं तो बोलते हैं oligopeptide, right? And उससे भी ज्यादा होता है, we call which one? Polypeptide. Clear? First ये classification है. Now next, so AUG, that AUG है, right? So with the help of this respect to AUG or UAC, remember जो amino acid लाएगा tRNA, that is the based on the information present on the which one? mRNA, right? Just वो यहाँ पे complementary कर रहा है, वही वो check करेगा. Now amino acids, right? amino acids कैसे आएंगे by the way cytoplasm में? नहीं, कैसे आएंगे cytoplasm में? Already, कैसे हमारे body में already present होंगे? Yes, you know some amino acids are essential and some are. Which one should be present in our diet? बोलिए. Essential should be present in our diet because which cannot be able to form by our body, right? Non-essential अगर diet में नहीं होगा तो भी, because body can prepare itself, right? So now this amino acids, either body prepares that, cells prepare that, or else second is a which one? That is through our diet, right? जो हम food intake कर रहे हैं, proteins ले रहे हैं, pulses है ना, pulses is the rich source for the which one? Proteins. So as and when you take that protein gets digested, right? And protein get digested, then amino acids, peptide bond उसका break होगा, and that converts to which one? Amino acids. That amino acids get absorbed, right? And enter into the cell. वैसे वो cell के cytoplasm है. So now in our cells, cytoplasm, these amino acids are present. Clear? Now next what happened? Required protein form करना है ना? So for that, see, हेयर के लिए कौन सा प्रोटीन चाहिए? हाँ, केराटिन प्रोटीन, isn't it right? So केराटिन प्रोटीन, क्या वो हम केराटिन प्रोटीन खाते हैं? नहीं, बट जो हम अमाइनो एसिड्स अदर प्रोटीन्स दैट्स यूज्ड एज अ फूड, वो डाइजेस्ट होकर उससे अमाइनो एसिड्स बनेंगे, राइट? एंड फिर वो अमाइनो एसिड से वापस से न्यू प्रोटीन्स बनेंगे. By that our body prepares this protein. That is one of them is a which one? Keratin. You know muscles में कौन सा प्रोटीन होता है? एक्टिन एंड मायोसिन, isn't it? पैकेजिंग के लिए कौन सा चाहिए? डीएनए पैकेजिंग के लिए कौन सा चाहिए? हिस्टोन, isn't it? Which one? हिस्टोन. तो क्या हम हिस्टोन प्रोटीन खाते हैं? नहीं, right? But we eat the food in with this maybe leucine, arginine, this kind of amino acids are present. फिर one by वो join हो जाएंगे and then form this protein, isn't it? Clear? So now वो proteins कैसे बनेंगे? Right? What is the process behind that? So here brief process is given. Clear? So first mRNA that comes from nucleus to cytoplasm. Second, small subunit of ribosome binds at the which side? 5 prime side and starts scanning. Scanning क्या करेगा? First AUG. As and when it gets the AUG over there, right? Then the first tRNA will come, right? First tRNA that carries which amino acid? Methionine. Which amino acid over here? That is methionine amino acid, right? Now that amino acid methionine and tRNA both are present in cytoplasm, right? So for that, one thing first, charging process is needed. Which process? Charging process. So for that, charging in a which sense that first amino acid should be linked to the tRNA, है ना? Methionine है, so it's not like that. Methionine can attach at the 3 prime end of any tRNA, right? Suppose यहाँ पे कोडॉन एंटी कोडॉन जो है, मान लो UCA है. Which one? UCA. UCA anticodon containing tRNA. Can it brings the methionine? No. कौन सा आना चाहिए? UAC. अगर UAC का ही है तो ही वो क्या लाएगा? Methionine. Right? So this is the very specific process. Right? Very specific, accurate process is there. It's not like that कि UC है, AUG आ गया तो कोई भी tRNA किसी भी अमाइनो एसिड को लेके आएगा. No, not like that. Specificity, cognate tRNA. Which word is given? Cognate tRNA meaning what? Cognate का meaning होता है specific. Cognate का simple meaning क्या है? Specific. AUG है, so that specific tRNA, that is UAC containing anticodon. Yes or no? That tRNA only can bind, make a base pair with which one? AUG. mRNA के ऊपर है AUG. So यहाँ पे anticodon जो loop है, यहाँ पे क्या है? UAC. Can they are complementary with each other? Yes or no? So by that way they make complementary pair with each other. Right? So this type of tRNAs, right? We call which one? Cognate tRNA. And AUG है, so इसके साथ जो amino acid आएगा, right? That amino acid only the which one? Methionine. Right? So this specificity is there. That's why we call it a cognate tRNA. Which one? Cognate tRNA. यहाँ तक के सारे steps clear है first, right? Now in this cognate tRNA, in this cognate tRNA first that AUG आया, so methionine आएगा. तो first step क्या था? That is amino acid should link to the which one? tRNA, isn't it? Right? So ये process कब होगा? First amino acid that reacts with the which one? ATP. Right? It needs energy, charge करना है उसको. So amino acid first link with the which one? ATP. Amino acid first link with the which one? ATP. This entire process not mentioned in your book, but you should understand this process for NEET exam. Clear? So amino acid attach with the which one? ATP. So now amino acid and ATP when attach with each other, these two molecules bind with each other. During that time what happen? Amino acid ATP converts into this form. समझ में आ रहा है? ATP किसमें convert होगा? Adenosine monophosphate. समझ में आ रहा है? Which one? Adenosine monophosphate. And 2, that's a phosphate. Remove. Pyrophosphate सुना है इसको आपने? Yes or no? That pyrophosphate remove from this one. अगर नहीं सुना है तो इसको हम यही फॉर्मेट में बोलेंगे, right? So 2 phosphate, right? सिर्फ सिंगल phosphorus नहीं बोल रही हूँ, क्या बोल रही हूँ? Phosphate. Phosphorus and phosphate both are chemically same, different, right? So when 2 phosphates are removed from this ATP, we call it a pyrophosphate. Clear? So amino acid linked with the first ATP. Once they are linked, then ATP converts to monophosphate form. And with this monophosphate form, right? With this monophosphate form, this structure we call amino acyl structure. We call which structure? Acyl. Now this structure we call which one? Amino acyl structure. We call which one? Amino acyl structure. Repeat. Amino acyl structure. Right? Now this amino acyl, मान लो ये मिथियोनिन का है amino acyl. Amino acyl structure that link to that tRNA at that 3' end. Right? Link to the which one? tRNA. जो यहाँ पे हम right here 3' end is there. तो यहाँ पे जो मिथियोनाइन आता है that is in a which form? Amino acyl form. Means methionine है with that AMP is also there. Right? Because see this thing is needed. Right? This thing is needed. First tRNA को चार्ज, tRNA भी इससे क्या होगा? चार्ज मीनिंग क्या हो रहा है? That tRNA AMP आ रहा है? Yes or no? tRNA first amino acid and which one? ATP link. So amino acyl बना. इसके साथ one that's a tRNA amino acyl के साथ अभी क्या लिंक हो जाएगा? tRNA. इसके लिए एक एंजाइम है, नोट डाउन फॉर नीट एग्जाम, सॉरी, अमाइनो असाइल, सबस्ट्रेट के नेम से ही है, अमाइनो असाइल tRNA synthetase enzyme. Which one? Amino acyl tRNA synthetase enzyme. Enzyme that helps into formation of all this thing. अमाइनो एसिड को एटीपी के साथ लिंक भी करेगा एंड देन अटैच विद द विच वन देयर स्पेसिफिक टीआरएनए, राइट? तो ये सब एंजाइम मीडिएटेड प्रोसेस है. क्लियर? दिस ऑल थिंग्स इज अ विच वन? एंजाइम मीडिएटेड प्रोसेस, राइट? विच एंजाइम ओवर हियर जो चार्जिंग में हेल्प होता है दैट इज amino acyl tRNA synthetase, and this process you call, process का नेम आपकी बुक में दिया है, that is charging of tRNA. This process we call which one? Charging of tRNA. Understood this? Yes or no? Right? Now next is a which one? Once this amino acyl tRNA is formed, according to that anticodon UAC, which makes the base pair with the complementary base pair with AUG. So that tRNA comes to that AUG site, right? फिर मान लो CCC है, right? Next AUG के बाद कौन सा आ रहा है यहाँ पे हमारा? AGC. AGC है तो कौन सा एंटीकोडन आना चाहिए? UCG. mRNA पे है AGC, तो यहाँ पे UCG. तो now यहाँ पे कौन सा अमाइनो एसिड होगा? दैट यू विल फाइंड विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस एंटीकोडन और कोडन. ये याद रखना. विच वन? कोडन. फाइंड आउट. एजीसी है, देन विच अमाइनो एसिड शुड? विच वन? सेराइन, राइट? सो सेराइन दैट्स द अमाइनो एसिड शुड बी देयर. क्लियर? तो देखो एजीसी, देन कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री बेस पेयर दैट मैच ओवर हियर, and that cognate tRNA, specific tRNA comes and give that S here. Clear? Now the next level thinking is needed, right? First, so translation, right? In that, remember the first one, that is which one? Last time 5' to 3' mRNA. mRNA has that main initiator codon that you call AUG. First, which one gets bind over here? That actually bind from this side, right? But scan karte karte it comes across which one? AUG, right? AUG. So AUG के respect में over here which tRNA? Which one? UAC anticodon containing tRNA will come. That brings which amino acid? Methionine. Next, मान लो here CCC anticodon is there. Then which tRNA will come over here? Which tRNA? GGG. That brings GGG brings amino acid or CCC? According to CCC codon, amino acid bring by the tRNA, which one? Proline, right? So here proline, here which one? Methionine is there. Clear? Now, before that this another, first that's the tRNA come, then the large subunit bind with this one. Right, as and when first tRNA that binds, now the next is a which one come? Large subunit, because large subunit that acts as a ribozyme enzyme. Which one? That behaves as a which one? Ribozyme enzyme, right? Ribozyme, large subunit, we have learned that large subunit eukaryotes में कितना होता है? 60S, right? 60S जो है, that is basically rRNA. Yes or no? You know RNA polymerase 1 transcribe which rRNA? 28, 18 and 5.8 rRNA. Isn't it? 5.8 S rRNA. So now here same like that, large subunit में अगर मैं prokaryotes की बात करूं, which one? Prokaryotes. तो large subunit में एक rRNA होता है, that is the which one? 23S rRNA. Which one? sRNA. This rRNA basically present in a which part? Large subunit, and this one acts as a which one? Ribozyme, right? Ribozyme का another name है, note down this, peptidyl transferase. Which name is there? Peptidyl transferase. Pronounce. Right. राइबोसोम का नहीं है, विच वन? राइबोजाइम. राइबोजाइम एंजाइम का अनदर नेम है पेप्टिडाइल ट्रांसफरेज. नेम से पता चलता है पेप्टिडाइल, पेप्टाइड फॉर्म कर रहा है, राइट? ट्रांसफरेज कैसे? वन टीआरएनए से उसका अमाइनो एसिड कहां पे ट्रांसफर कर रहा है? टू द एडजेसेंट वन. वो जंपिंग पैटर्न अभी हमने देखा था, यस और नो, राइट? सो जो ट्रांसफर करना है, दैट इज द रोल ऑफ राइबोजाइम. आफ्टर ट्रांसफर टू अमाइनो एसिड्स लिंक करना है बाय मेकिंग विच बॉन्ड? That is also the role of which one? Ribozyme. Clear? In case of, ये बुक में नहीं दिया है, prepare this thing for the NEET. That is 23S rRNA for prokaryotes and 16S rRNA that is for eukaryotes. Right? Eukaryotes के लिए कौन सा होता है? 16S rRNA. Remember. Clear? Now next one. So as and when large subunit of ribosome binds to that mRNA, right? It forms how many sites according to your book? 2 sites. According to your book, 2 sites. In that, the first site like this over here. In that, 2 sites are there. First, this site we call the P site and this one is the A site, right? P का meaning होता है peptide. Which one? Peptide or peptidyl site. A का meaning होता है amino acyl. Which one? Amino acyl. This site name is a which one? Amino acyl. Because you know amino acyl क्या था? What is amino acyl? Not enzyme. Amino acyl compound. If you can recall, amino acid plus ATP. You know that amino acid फिर AMP के साथ N2 pyrophosphate हमने लिया, right? So amino acid when linked with ATP, by that way the structure is formed we call amino acyl, right? So tRNA जो amino acid लाता है, that is actually in a which form? Amino acyl, right? So amino acyl के form में आ रहा है. Next, as and when this ribozyme or peptidyl transferase that helps in which process? Making peptide bond. Peptide to form the peptide bond, again it's need what? Energy, right? जब उसको energy चाहिए तब यहाँ से वो AMP जो था Remember amino acyl के पास AMP is there. Here also that AMP is also उसका भी phosphate क्या हो जाएगा, means donate हो जाएगा. Bond break, energy release, that energy trap over here to make a peptide bond, right? So peptide bond formation also needs energy. Charging of tRNA process also needs what? Energy. सभी को energy कौन provide करेगा? ATP. First case जो था ATP and the amino acid link, उसमें दो phosphate remove हो जाते हैं. And here when peptide bond formation, जो single phosphate था वो भी क्या हो जाएगा? Released. Clear? Now next is a which one? So P site and the which one? A site. P site से क्या होगा? Here tRNA come with that specific amino acid. Then this amino acid now transfer to the next, and then entire shifting. वो वीडियो का याद आ रहा है? Entire process that shifting over here. इसने तो अपना amino acid next को दे दिया. This one now become free, released. Now this portion shifted over here, right? With this 2 amino acid, yes or no? With this 2 amino acid, so in that case पेप्टाइड चेन कहां पे फॉर्म होगा? ऑन दिस पार्ट, ए पार्ट और बी पार्ट. पेप्टाइड चेन कहां पे फॉर्म होगा? बी पार्ट, 1 by 1. नाउ बी दैट शिफ्ट टू ए. ए ने तो पहले दे दिया, यस और नो? अपना अमाइनो एसिड जो है दैट गिवन टू द विच वन? बी. बी के पास अभी आप देखो तो उसके पास 2 अमाइनो एसिड है. One is a methionine and other is a which one? Proline. Now it shift to that हाँ A part, that is peptidyl site, right? And यहाँ पे और एक tRNA आएगा, yes or no? ये दोनों अमाइनो एसिड वापस से नेक्स्ट tRNA के साथ ज्वाइन, फिर वापस से मूव. तो ग्रेजुअली आपको प्रोटीन की चेन कहाँ पे मिलेगी? ऑन पेप्टिडाइल साइट. विच वन? पेप्टिडाइल साइट. ओवर देयर यू विल गेट द विच वन? ये शिफ्ट होता रहेगा. एट द एंड यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? जब स्टॉप कोडोन आएगा तो रिलीज फैक्टर. समझ में आ रहा है? At the end which one that comes? Release factor. So release factor आएगा over here. तो सारे अमाइनो एसिड आपको यहाँ पे मिलेंगे और दिस साइड, दिस वन है ना. सो अमाइनो एसिड का जो चेन है, पेप्टाइड का जो चेन है आपका, वो कहाँ पे मिलेगा? ऑन दैट पेप्टिडाइल साइट. दैट्स व्हाई नेम गिवन इज अ P site. Here amino acid tRNAs 1 by 1 come, right? वीडियो में हमने 3 साइट्स देखे थे, E, P and A. Right? E stands for what? Exit. Okay, once the tRNA का function हो गया, now it should be what? Remove. Right? मान लो this is the A site, this is the which one? P site, and this one is the exit. Right? P site पे right now exit में कोई रोल नहीं है यहाँ पे अभी tRNA का. First is a which one? P site, because P site पे small subunit of ribosome ने क्या detect किया? AUG. So that tRNA comes, methionine over here. नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे CCC कोडन है राइट नाउ, तो क्या आएगा? प्रोलीन. तो यहाँ पे प्रोलीन आया. अभी क्या होगा? दैट मिथ्योनाइन विद द हेल्प ऑफ राइबोजाइम फर्स्ट जॉइन विद द विच वन? प्रोलीन. प्रोलीन, राइट? एंड देन दिस tRNA शिफ्ट टू द विच साइड? एक्सिट. वहां से वो रिमूव. दिस साइड नाउ वैकेंट, राइट? tRNA चला गया, अमाइनो एसिड यहाँ पे आ गया, तो दिस साइड इज वैकेंट और नॉट? वैकेंट. Now this entire portion shift to this site, right? जिसके पास tRNA है, but now it carries 2 amino acids, methionine as well as proline, right? Again यहाँ पे मान लो serine आया, है ना? तो ये दोनों amino acid with the help of ribosome किसके साथ join हो जाएगा? serine. tRNA free, shift to the exit, right? Now entire 3 amino acids जो जिसके पास है वो tRNA कहाँ पे आ रहा है? पेप्टिडाइल साइट. क्लियर? कब तक आएगा? जब तक स्टॉप कोडन, बिकॉज स्टॉप कोडन क्या लेके आएगा? रिलीज फैक्टर, राइट? वंस द रिलीज फैक्टर इज देयर, एवरीथिंग गेट्स सेग्रीगेटेड. अंडरस्टूड दिस थिंग? यस और नो? क्लियर? श्योर? एनीवन हैव अ डाउट इन दिस पार्ट? राइबोजाइम in case of this eukaryotes, which rRNA acts as a ribozyme? Eukaryotes 16 and the prokaryotes 23. So आप steps मुझे ब्रीफिंग कर सकते हो? फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा इसमें? ट्रांसलेशन प्रोसेस. इन दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप पहले तो mRNA comes to First, that's a small subunit of ribosome. Encounter that, right? Scan which codon? AUG. Now AUG hai. So from the cytoplasm, which amino acid should bring over here? Which amino acid should bring? Methionine. With the help of which tRNA? Cognate tRNA, that specific tRNA which has which anticodon? UAC, isn't it? Now, so UAC containing anticodon containing that tRNA brings methionine. अभी वो ये प्रोसेस भी कैसा होना चाहिए? चार्जिंग. चार्जिंग के लिए कौन सा मॉलिक्यूल चाहिए? ATP. So first ATP link with what? Amino acids, and then release 2-phosphate, and by that way it form amino acid structure, and then amino acid binds to what? tRNA. Clear? And now this tRNA with methionine come towards that respective anticodon to codon site. Next, abhi kya hoga? Once this methionine come with that cognate tRNA, now large subunit comes, right? Large subunit jab aayega, it forms 3 sites. This is E, P, and this one is A site, right? Now ribosomes start reading in a which direction? Right? After AUG, now it start reading the sequences in a triplet form. किसने हमें सजेस्ट किया कि कोडन शुड बी इन ट्रिपलेट? Gamow, right? George Gamow suggested, right? Next one. After that, here now next amino acid tRNA will come. तो ये जो मिथियोनाइन का हमारा tRNA था, वो मिथियोनाइन किसे देगा? तो दिस वन. tRNA वैकेंट हो गया, एग्जिट साइड से रिमूव, राइट? This process will repeat till stop codons, because stop codons का tRNA कौन सा? No tRNAs. It brings which one? Release. Release factor, release what? Peptide chain, polypeptide chain basically. Large subunit, small subunit, and tRNA. Everything got released from each other, right? And by this way, the translation process being stopped. Clear? Anyone have a doubt in this part?